Live-in, bother-free. Command strip 3M floating shower holder. The way to put it up, fail-proof. People are buying this and complaining that it doesn't stay up, and probably the reason why is they didn't set it up correctly. The first thing you need to do is clean the space you're going to put it on with alcohol pads. I picked this area right here, so. I'm gonna put it right here. This is the most important step. If you forget this step, your thing's gonna it's gonna fall down, and you're gonna complain. So clean your surface with alcohol, and then let it dry. I have a tissue. The next step is you take the stickers, and the blue side's going to face the plastics on the back. So, you remove each blue. Line it up on the plastic, facing down. One. The alcohol is drying. I have to do this. Blue side facing down. It's labeled, the black side is wall. So now that's ready. That's dry. And keep it intact. I'm going to put this. Remove the backing. The black side. I had this in my last house. It stayed up for 5 years, so for those that say that it doesn't stay up, maybe the surface is different, but this is how I did it the first time. And they're really great. And they don't rust. They last long. It's really beautiful. Alright, so now it's open and stick it where I want to put this here. So, some showering, you want to grab your, put it right there. And you hold this for 10 seconds, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now you just pop it off. Pop off. And then press each one for 30 seconds.